Guys, this tutorial is the continuation of a built-in string function in Python video. Today we will learn two more function rpartition and swapcase functions, right? I'm using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Now let's get started with our today's tutorial. What is rpartition function? The rpartition function searches for the last occurrence of a specified thing and split the string into a tuple containing three elements, right? You know tuple. Tuple is a built-in type in Python. I have one string with me. Python is a programming language and it is a popular language, right? If I print it, if I want to use rpartition function, rpartition, okay, and if you look at the documentation of this function, so you will see partition the string into three parts using the given separator, right? And it will return a tuple of three elements. Okay, use substring as is, right? And we will print the result then, right? If you run the program, so you will see we have three elements in the tuple, right? First element, this is first, this is second, and this is third, right? This rpartition function starts the substring from the last occurrence, right? So it actually splitted this entire string with this substring is the last occurrence is this, which means before the last occurrence we would have the first element in the tuple, right? So this is the element. Second element would be the same substring which you are providing. Okay, second element would be the separator itself, right? And third would be the remaining one, right? Okay, this one. Second case would be if the substring is not found, right? It will return you two elements as empty. So XX is not there, right? With the string, if you run the program, so first two elements you would get in the tuple as a blank, okay? And the last element would be a original string, right? Okay. So this is second case. May have other case like if you are not providing any of the substring, right? If you leave this substring as blank, so it will give you error, right? Empty separator. Don't try that, right? Okay, it will raise exception. Okay, so this is how we can use our partition function. Now let's move to our next function, that is swapcase. Swapcase function actually converts all upper characters to lower and all lower characters to the upper, right? Vice versa. So it will return you the converted string, right? So this is a Python word and we want this result to be converted into lower and uppercase, vice versa, right? So s2 dot swapcase, right? The function documentation says convert uppercase characters to lowercase and lowercase characters to uppercase. This is the only purpose of this function, right? It will return a string, right? For example, if you want to return this result 1, if you're in the program, so you will see, so here we have to use s2, right? S2. You're in the program again, so you will see, right? In your inputted string, we had p in uppercase, but after converting this character, so it has become lower, right? Let's see second case. If you have Python in lower, so it will convert the lower into upper, right? Completely. You see upper. This is lower we provided and it converted the lower characters into the upper characters, right? If you have upper, so it will convert all characters into lower, right? You see, if any of the character we are saying Python is good, so you will see the output, right? Okay, so this swap case function only work with alphas characters, right? If you put 1 2 3, so it will not work. If you see, so it will not work, you will get the same output, right? If you use space, you use special characters, so it will do nothing, like a or a, right? Like this. Okay, that brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.